Today I'm going to show you mathematics primary reading national examination 2025-2026. This exam was done in July 2026, and you can see the instructions. Yes, all the instructions, but let's start. I'm going to show you on exams, but I think I'll be making another video showing you the corrections. But today I'm going to show you how was the exam. So let's start. This was the question number 1 to work out. It was addition. Yes, addition. Then the question number 2, to classify the numbers according to if the number is odd number, the even number, and then the square number or the prime number and the prime numbers. So this is the question number 3. Write the following fraction, in in figures 5/9. So number 4, yes, you see the number 4. Number 5, working out the following. So you can also write the exam if you want, and you can also mark yourself. But I will be providing another video showing you about the exam, how we can answer it, making the answers for those questions from this examination. So this exam was this was question number 6. The question number 7, it was about the square roots. Yes, the square roots of 16 plus square roots of 25 equal, you know that this 16 is equal to 4, this is 5. You can also add. Probably I think it is 6, 9. Then motorist drives at speed of this, and then how much this is. It's you must use the formulas for the speeds, the distance. Yes, you can also find the time. It was the question number 8. So this is the question number 9. To convert the following, it's a measurement. Yes, convert from deciliter to from deciliter to centiliter, from decimeter cubic to meter cubic, and from gram to hectogram. Yes, the question number 10, I think the place of the number which represents the thousands, the writing in figures. Yes, irregular hexagon. Yes, let's also continue with that. And then the figure here, you have the rectangles. You have the width with 3x centimeter, and we having the length with 4 centimeters. Another length side, it is equal to 8 centimeter negative 8 x negative 8x negative 8 centimeters. But you remember that the sides are always equal. These lengths are equal, which means you can also equate them and then find the value of x, which will help us to get the exact length, the measurement of the length and width. Yes. So this is the probability question, the round-off question. Probably I think it is in the unit in yes. You started this in the first chapters of the senior 6, P6. Yes, the question number 16. This is the question number 16. Number 17, to find the missing numbers. Then number 8, yes, 2 bags weight this, and what is the weight of 5 bags? Yes, you can also find if the 1 bag is, you can also find the weight of 1 bag and then calculate the weights of the 5 bags. Number 19. Yes, this is number 19. Question number 20. The simultaneous, this is the inequality from the question number 21. Determination of the angles, the question number 22. Yes, finding the diameter, and you have the circumference. You know that the circumference equal pi times diameter, and then you have the value of pi. Yes, and then construct using pencils, ruler, and protractor the fractions. Yes, question number 25. Yes, find the type of data being corrected. This is the question number 27. The question number 28. Oh, you can also write these questions if you want to correct it on by yourself, but I think in the next week I will be providing the marking guide. Yes, marking guide, or I will correct, or I will do this exam, the correction of this exam live. I will be providing the video when I'm making the correction. Yes, I hope to be very good. Yes, the question number 29, the question number 30, the question number 31, comparison, the question number 32, and this is the question number 33, and this is probably the last, the question number 34, and this is the last question of the Mathematics P6 National Exam 2026. So this was the exam done by P6 students this year. You see that this is the year 2025-2026. So this exam was good. I think if you want the correction, please subscribe to the channel and like this video so that I can get the energy to provide the solutions to this question. So see you in the next video.